Namaste children. Today we are going to learn a lesson from your history part, Traders, Kings and Pilgrims. Children, when we are going to learn about the history, we have some records, especially the archaeological records and sites. So which shows the identification or the proof about the things what are all used by that early people and also the traders too, especially the evidences from that plates, pottery making and some kind of cups too. Then and there we can identify from that gold, silver, then the traders who came to India to purchase the precious stones. And then and there they are attracted by our spices, especially pepper, which is called that black gold by the Roman Empire. In the early period, the Rome and India who took that good relationship of trade and commercial contact. So they used ships to come to India through the sea voyages and by the land by using the ships and also the camels, then by caravans. So there must have been quite a lot of trade as many Roman gold coins have been found in South India. So that is the important evidence by that Indian archaeologist regarding this trade and commercial contact. Children, if we denoted the foreign people or the other country people, those who are attracted of our country's wealth, especially agriculture. So here the Ganga and then the Kaveri river bank, which is seemed as the greeneries and granaries, because you know that very well, which is called that bowl, that is grain bowls of our country and also that state. So in early period, we can identify the three important new kingdoms which were known as Moovendar, especially the Sangam period. Those were the Cheras, the Cholas and then the Pandyas. So who became powerful in South India around 2300 years ago. Children, next we are going to see one small video which is about the story of Silk Route. The rich glossy colors of silk as well as the smooth texture which make it a highly valued fabric in most societies. So making silk is a complicated process. Raw silk has to be extracted from the cocoons of silkworms. So the techniques of making silk were first invented in China and around 7000 years ago. Are you ready, children, to listen about this Silk Route? which were used by that traders on those period, and they benefited and they earned that more profit. Hope you are all understood, children. Thank you. We will see in the next class.